Now dear student, I am going to start about the latitudes, which is also known as in Hindi Akshans. Latitude means Akshans. Horizontal line drawn on a globe. This one is the globe. It means we can say Earth. This line is drawn on horizontal manner. Horizontal line drawn on a globe, it's known as line of latitudes because there is so many lines. These all are known as line of latitudes. These lines run parallel to each other. This line run parallel to this line run parallel to this line. So we can say that these all lines are run parallel to each other. That is why known as parallel of latitudes. Another thing is that the latitude are always expressed in degree. Expressed in degree, it means suppose this line number is 66 and half. So express in degree means 66 and half degree. All lines are expressed in degree. Suppose this one is the 0. So it's expressed in degree 0 degree. By this way, all these lines are expressed in degree. Another facts about the related to the latitudes are the number of latitude. How many number of latitude? When we move from 0 degree equator towards the northern hemisphere and towards the southern hemisphere, so by following 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, by this way we reach up to the 90 degree latitude towards the north direction. And when we move from 0 to south direction, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, by this way, following this sequence, we reach up to the 90 degree in south directions. So number of latitude is 19 degree in north and 90 degree in south. We can say the total number of latitude is 180. But remember one thing, 90 degree not a line, 90 degree just a point. Here is we can say 89 degree. Thereafter 89 after 90, come 90 degree just a point in both hemisphere, in the northern hemisphere, in the southern hemisphere. Another fact related to the latitudes is that degree of latitude is divided into 60 minutes. It means suppose this one is the 1 degree. 1 degree divided into 60 minutes. This one is the symbol of minute. And again 1 minute divided into 60 seconds. It is clear? In 1 degree 60 minutes and in 1 minute 60 seconds. It is clear? Now another fact related with the latitude is that latitudes are imaginary line. Latitude are imaginary line, it means what? These lines are not drawn over the surface actually. We are moving here and there. Are you observed that any lines drawn on the surface? The answer is obviously no. So we can say that these all lines of latitude are the imaginary line. Imaginary means kalpnik, not actual drawn on the surface. Another fact is which encircle the earth. Which encircle the earth means these lines start to here and by this way turn back side of the earth's surface. These all lines make a circle. These all lines make a circle from the back side. For example, suppose you can understand by this way. This one is the imaginary line, middle part of the earth's surface, which is known as equator. So this line drawn in the case of front side, we can observe only front part of the line. But actually what happened? This line drawn back side also. Every latitudes drawn like this way, in the circular way. Another fact, parallels. These all lines are parallel to the equators. It means this line parallel to the equator, this line parallel to the equator. These all latitudes are parallel to the equators. All places having same value of the latitudes of the north or the south. It means what? All place means, suppose 23.5 north is known as Tropic of Cancer. As we know, in the case of India, Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle part of the country. It means what? It means not Tropic of Cancer only cross the India. There are some other country also. Here any country, here any country, here any country. So by this way we can say that all places, these all places having the same value of latitude to north or the south. The value of the places is same because same lines cross the all these countries. Another fact is, equator being in the middle of the two poles of the earth is the longest line of latitude. Equators which being in the middle part of the earth is the longest line. When we move from equators towards the north side, then what happened? The size of line decreases according to the north pole and south pole. Another fact, as we move away from the equator, then what happened? The circumference of the circle, this one is make circle, this line make circle, this again one line make circle. Circumference of circle will decrease while we move from equator towards the pole side. But when we move from pole to equator, then what happens? Just opposite condition. The circumference of the circle will increase. From 0 to 90 decrease, from 90 to 0 degree increase. It is clear that. Another thing is, two poles are, however, only the points. Earlier I have told you that two poles. Two poles means North Pole and South Pole. The North Pole is only point and South Pole is only point. But below the South Pole 90 degree, there is one parallel of latitudes. The name of the latitude is below the 90, 89. Below the 89, 88. By this way, decreasing and increasing. Another thing, it is essential to write letters N either S. Where we write N, where we write S. If we going to show the number of latitudes above the equators, then we write N. Like I have write here 23.5 north, N north. 66.5 N north. 90 north. But B side below the equator 23.5 south. 66.5 south. 90 south. So we can locate by using the letter N and S for locating the north and south directions. Another thing, the number of latitudes when drawn at 1 degree interval are 90 in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. You well know, because every latitudes having interval from 0 to 1 degree. 0, thereafter 1, thereafter 2. You can write also for the understanding. After 0, here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. These all are the number of latitudes. By following this serial number, reach up to the 90 degree north and 90 degree south. Here is one important thing. In our globe, these all number of line is not important. Means 1 degree, 2 degree. Only some are the more important. Like 0 degree is important because 0 degree latitude known as equator. In Hindi known as Bhumadhya Rekha. It means divide the earth into two parts. One part and another part. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Another is the 23.5 degree north, which is known as Tropic of Cancer. It is lies north of the equator. Here is equator, it lies north of the equator. Similarly, 23 degree and south, Tropic of Capricorn. It is lies south of the equator. Hindi meaning of the Tropic of Cancer is Kark Rekha and Tropic of Capricorn means Makar Rekha. It is clear. Another is the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. The number of Arctic Circle is 66 degree and half north. It is located above the Tropic of Cancer, and the Antarctic Circle 66 degree and half south is located below the Tropic of Capricorn. By this way, these all are the informations related with the term latitudes. I hope you have better understanding. Dear student, now I am going to start the term heat zone. What is heat zone? According to the name, heat means temperature. It means over the globe, all regions not receive same amount of temperatures. We can understand by this way. Suppose here is the location of sunlight. Sunlight directly overheaded near the equators. Twice in year. It means the 2 times directly overheaded near the equator. But due to apparent movement of the sun and rotation of the earth, the sunlight decreases from equator towards the northern pole sides and towards the southern pole sides. In both hemispheres, the light of sun is decreases. It is clear? Now, from 0 degree to 23 degree half north, and from 0 degree to 23 degree and half south, these number of latitudes demarcate one zone. This zone is known as what? This zone is known as torrid zone. Torrid zone. Torrid zone means here sunlight's more received by these regions. That is why temperature is higher in these regions. But when we move from 23 degree and half north latitudes towards the 66 degree and half north latitudes, and again we move from 23 degree south towards the 66 degree and half south. It means from Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle, and from Tropic of Capricorns up to the Antarctic Circle. These regions known as temperate zone. Temperate zone. But this temperate zone located in southern hemisphere, that is why it's known as south temperate zone. This temperate zone located in the northern hemisphere, that is why it's known as north temperate zone. What is the specialization about this zone? North temperate zone and south temperate zone? North temperate zone and south temperate zone neither very hot nor very cold. It means the moderate temperature falls in these two zones, temperate north and temperate south. When again we move from 66 degree and half north latitude, which is known as Arctic circles, towards the North Pole, and again from 66 degree and half south Antarctic circles towards the 90 degree South Pole, these regions known as frigid zone. Frigid zone. Frigid means what? Means water is not available in their actual form, it's turned into the ice. Area of these regions totally covered with the ice. Frigid zone in northern hemisphere and frigid zone southern hemisphere. So by this way, we have observed that there are different heat zones on the basis of receiving sunlight. Sunlight highly received near the equators up to the 23 degree north to 23 degree south latitudinal extent, which is known as Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. These regions known as torrid means bahut zyada garm, and thereafter temperate means neither hot nor cold, moderate, and thereafter frigid. Sunlight's angular distance different in different regions. Here directly, here slightly angular distance, here more angles, here higher angles. When directly overheaded, then receive more temperatures. When slanty manner receive the sunlight, then temperature become very less. So these are the few informations regarding the topic heat zone. I hope you have better understanding by following this video and by reading the paragraph which given in the book.